Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the addition command and de-addition command in XINJE PLC and what's the difference between addition and de-addition. So let's go to the practical. We go to our software, open up the XI Pro tool, and here first we will take one internal memory bit LDM100 an example, and here we will take the addition command. You can see here the addition command, and here also have a de-addition command. So what's the difference between addition and de-addition command? So we will hide this one and we will go to our ladder and we will write just only addition first, ADD, and take one data register D0 for example and D10, and answer we will take in the D20 and click enter. And one more we will take internal memory bit LDM200 an example and click enter, and just now we will type DADD. When we type this one, and next we will type another data registers, for example D30 we can take, D40 and D50 and click enter, and just download it into the PLC. As program will be completed, download it to the PLC and we will start the PLC and run monitors. And here now you can see there is nothing, any value at the D0 and also D30, and we will make this M100 on, and we right click at the D0 and we put some value. For example, here we will put 32,765 and click enter, and you can see it passed the direct this value 32,765. And now I will put some value at the D10. There is a 32,765 and I will type it here, for example 50 value, and click enter, and you can see this value goes into the minus because of this data registers, and this addition command only hold the 32,767 value only, and because of this value is now high from this data registers, and same value we will type it in the D30. Just right click it on the D30 and we will type 32,765, okay, and click OK. And at the D40 we will type many value, if you like, look like same double value because this is the double addition look like name. So we will type same 32,765 value, write it on the D40, and as we give the execution at M200, you can see he passed these two values, calculate and send it into the next data register D50. Maybe also you like to increase this value at the D30, for example more one digits 4 5 I will write, also this will be calculate and answer gives you into the next data register. But instead of this ADD addition command only, that will be not hold the this big values. This is only small values can be used, and here you can big values you can choose. So hope you will be understand about the difference between addition and de-addition command. Where you like to use the small values, you can choose the just addition command, and where you like to be calculate the big values, so you have to be write de-addition, and after you can take the answer correctly. Hope guys you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback. as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.